Are you ready for more? Are you guys ready for more? Yes! So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, together with the creative manager of Incognito, the Contracts, and Jay Fernando. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Contracts! Good evening! Good evening, Contracts. Before we begin our interrogation, wow, nakakatakot. Please say hi to our viewers and of course our media friends who've been waiting. One by one, Anthony.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito and sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa live. And magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sana po enjoy niyo itong gabi na ito.
Hello everyone! Thank you so much for coming tonight. Yes, like Anthony said, enjoy lang tayo tonight. Thank you so much for coming. We're so excited to bring you good news about the show. Thank you.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat at pasensya na medyo na-delay tayo ng konti. Okay lang, sabay-sabay naman tayo dumating dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ngayong gabi at ayun po, it's gonna be a wonderful night.
Sir Jay?
Maraming salamat po sa pagdating at sa panonood pa rin ng Incognito.
Yes, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo kami dito sa mid-season MediaCon ng Incognito. We are very excited na ipakita sa inyo ang mga susunod na kabanata sa Incognito. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, good evening everybody. Thank you for taking the time to be here tonight. Yeah, let's have fun and we can't wait to show you guys what else is in store for you all with Incognito. So thank you for being here.
Good evening, everyone. I'm grateful to be with all of you here. Yeah, let's just enjoy this evening and have a great interaction with everybody here sa venue and sa mga nanonood live.
Thank you po. And hopefully, Ian po is coming very soon. Actually, nakaparachute po siya sa taas po siya ng building. Joke lang. Lapit na po siya dumating. So, mid-season, halfway through the season, you guys have been unstoppable. Grabe. From El Nido to Matera, Italy, to Baguio to Itugon. We're really excited where you guys are gonna be coming off soon. So, for everybody curious just like me, please watch this. Next season, first time po lang nilabas. How exciting is it? Finally, nakita niyo for the first time ang trailer ninyo.
Wow, ngayon lang din namin napanood yun. Wow. It was worth it. Worth it lahat ng hirang pagod na make it even sa... We are very excited for everyone to see these episodes and we're very proud of our work and the hard work we've done. At sana ma-enjoy din ninyo.
Yes, thank you. Daniel?
Yan po yung sinabi ko dyan. It was all worth it. Grabe. Yung sa Japan, sobrang lamig. Sa Itogon, sobrang init. Walang gitna. Pareho sa Rabat. Yan, nakita niyo naman kahit kami yun ang namin ang panood. Hanggang ngayon, proud pa rin ako kasama sa show na to. Thank you. Thank you.
While watching the trailer, parang nung mga times na shoot namin yan, di namin alam kung everyday laging pinapataas yung intensity ng action stunts, yung weather. And like while shooting that, lagi namin tanong na kaya pa ba to? But everything, kapag napanood mo na, worth it talaga lahat yung pagod and everything. Yeah.
And how about you, Anthony? Wala namang frostbite na nangyari.
Wala naman. Pero yung mga, yung bangs ni Kyla, iba-ibang weather yung na-experience. Yung malamig na siya. Pero yun, sobrang worth it nung lahat. Siyempre, kita namin yung hirap at ginhawa ng isa't isa sa amin kung paano namin ginagawa lahat. Like, may mga times na basa na yung mga paa namin, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami, di ba? Pero ayun,
Alam ba ang nabasa?
Nakapako lang yun. Hindi, pero yun nga yung hirap at ginawa, parang sobrang sulit niya. Okay siya. As in, like, nung una, nandun kami, parang, ay, ba ito? May mga ganong questions eh. Pero nung napanood na namin yung trailers, hindi ko in-expect na ganun talaga yung habulan sa jet ski, may mga ganun pa pala. So yun, sobrang amazing na. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakaka-proud na parte pa rin ako ng show na. Sana di ako mamatay ko rin.
How about you, Kyla?
Nag-survive naman yung bangs ko. Through everything. So, pero ibang challenge talaga when you experience working in such extreme weather conditions. But seeing the trailer, sobrang nakaka-proud. At tama nga yung sinabi nila, it really was worth it. First time nga namin talaga nakita yung trailer and even snippets of the scenes. Amazing lang. Sobrang nakaka-proud to be part of the show. And proud ako sa aming lahat kasi nagawa namin siya. And we're just so excited for all of you to see it. So yun lang. It's so fulfilling, I feel like, is the word.
We're all so excited for everybody. Baron, do you have any insights? Panood nyo lang na for the first time ang inyong mid-season trailer.
Sobrang excited ako to watch it. Kasi habang nasa Japan naman sila, mag-intercut siya dun sa pag-save ko dun sa family ko. So, exciting. So, makikita na punong-puno ng bakbakan sa Japan. And ganun din, kainit ang bakbakan sa Pilipinas.
Ayan. Another round of applause to our cast please. The contracts. Grabe. Louder, please. That was the very first trailer for the mid-season. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, so now, before we begin the Q&A, let's hear first from the contracts. I have a few questions. First to Richard. Where in Japan did you guys shoot this? And was there any reason why you guys chose and shoot in Japan?
We shot this this episode of Incognito in Yamagata, in Japan. Sobrang lamig dun sa lugar na yun. At talagang snow every day, non-stop rain, snowfall. If you're gonna ask me kung bakit doon,
Yes, bakit?
well, hindi ko rin alam. Siguro pinili nila yung pinaka maraming snow na area because we really wanted to capture na ibang terrain na talagang all white. We wanted that all white feel and I think we got it and more. Every day talagang non-stop yung snowfall. Na-experience namin legit na snowstorm. Legit na snowstorm. And, you know, hats off to our crew. Kasi yung crew natin talagang sobrang hirap din ang pinagdaanan nila. You know, managing all the equipment, you know, cameras, the lenses, everything at the same time in that kind of weather condition. Talagang, it was challenging for everyone. Every day. We were tested every day. And, you know, we were able to do it as a group, as a unit. And, you know, after that, parang, you can take us anywhere. That's a type of experience that, after that, kahit saan nyo ako dalhin next.
Ay, grabe. Direct.
Biglang itogon yung next.
Then, yeah, my question din ako. How was your experience shooting in Japan? Especially the fight scenes. Hindi ba kayo natumba, nag-slide, buo naman lahat ng butong?
Oo, hindi kasama yun. Kasama yung madudulas. Hindi mo may iwasan. May talagang yelo yung tinatapakan mo. Natuklasan namin na meron pang nilalagay sa sapatos para di madulas. Nung last day na. Diba na? Pero okay lang. Kasama yun kahit sa... Diba, pag tuloy-tuloy yung action, kahit madulas ka, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Kasama yun kahit sa totoong buhay, nangyayari yun. Okay lang. Dahil yun ang nagpapatotoo dun sa action.
Survived. Okay, thank you. Thank you This is for Sir J. Nasa Skyway na po ba?
Sakto ba?
Lumilipad na po. Lumilipad na po sa Skyway.
Sakto, solo yung interview niya sa akin. Yung si contractor dumarating pagka
Yeah,
matapos
malapit
na.
na. Lumilipad na po siya. Okay, this question, let's start the Q&A, guys. This question is for Sir J. Sa tinatakbo ng kwento ngayon, side missions ang ginagawa ng grupo. Pagdating ba ng mid-season, makikilala na ba namin si Elcano? And can you give us a little bit of a tease sa abangan ng viewers?
Well, as we've seen in the episodes, sir, na pinakita ngayon, somehow related yung Japan mission contract doon sa plot namin ng Elcano. Somehow nakikita na din naman natin ng kaunti na babanggit-banggit na yung Elcano sa kwento. But I wouldn't want to give too much away about the plot of Elcano because that plot is going to affect the lives of everyone. So, sobrang malaking kwento siya. So, siguro as a teaser talagang sobrang important nun sa buong journey ng lahat, ng buong team.
So abangan, kahit konti lang po, konti, little hint.
Ayoko.
Sige na,
Ayoko talaga magbigay.
Jay, sige na, kwento mo na.
Ayoko magbigay kasi maraming masasagot yung plot na yun sa pinagdadaanan nilang lahat.
Okay po, Sir Jay, thank you so much. And then this is for Richard again. What were some of the biggest challenges you faced while shooting an action sequence in Japan, especially winter? How did the Incognito team adapt to it?
Like what I said nga kanina, every day was very challenging. Plus shooting the action sequences. We just had to adapt, we had to survive, and we had to, do our jobs the best way we can. Pero yun, mahirap talaga yung weather conditions. Yun nga, gaya na sabi ni Anthony, pag nabasa kasi yung kamay mo, yun na yun ang hirap na nun. So yung gloves, so we had to wear waterproof gloves, waterproof shoes, and everything. So it was hard. Talagang, tapos syempre yung light, yung daylight, kailangan namin hinahabol lagi. A lot of challenging conditions, but we were able to manage. I think we did a good job as a
How
team.
many weeks were you guys there?
Almost 2 weeks, I think.
10 days.
Wow, super cool. Do you guys remember how cold it was? Negative?
-6, yeah.
Negative 6.
-6, yeah.
Kulang pa naman like negative 15.
Feels like
Feels like negative 15.
Pero pag pag may wind gust,
With chill.
medyo malala siya.
Thank you for that. For Baron, hindi madali ang character mo bilang Miguel Texo. How did you prepare for the scenes?
Well, we've been filming already for 6 months. So, blended na yung grupo namin. And nakabisado ko na rin si Miguel. So, what I do lang is, every time na may bagong week na script, binatawa sa I just automatically transform into Miguel kasi it's very easy because si Miguel yung mga suot niya quirky, nakasalamin. So, nakakadala yung outfit. Plus, of course, yung story. So, I just want to say that, I'm very, very grateful to my co-stars, the cast, the crew, our directors for guiding me and for keeping me grounded also. So, nakakatuwa na part ako ng Incognito. Sobrang happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Baron. Okay, Danielle, how does it feel to be in your action star era? Ano ang pinakagusto mo sa pinagagawa mo ng action? And ano naman ang pinaka-challenging for you?
Action stuff, and then, this genre is new to me, and na-enjoy ko lang yung genre na to. Wala naman akong gusto i-label na action star ako. Wala. It's just a role also, Gusto ko lang, nagustuhan ko tong genre na to dahil ang dami ko natutunan. dami ko natututunan sa sarili ko. Nasusubukan ko yung sarili ko, minsan hindi ko alam na kung kaya ko pa. At sinasagat ko yung sarili ko, tapos pag nagawa ko yun so kaya ko pala yun, alam mo yun, medyo, mas nandun siya nakikilala ko yung sarili ko. And I enjoyed the action, di ba? Mas very physical.
Nasa dugo mo rin, di ba? Ano masasabi mo doon?
Siguro sinanay ako ng nanay ko sa action. Sinanay niya ako umilag. Yun lang din. Siguro sa tulong din ng director namin, ito ng mga kasamahan ko rito, Char. At siyempre sa gabay din ng mga magulang ko at ng mga uncle ko, natututo ng konti.
Thank you, Daniel. Okay, Anthony, my question is, sa dami na ng pinagdaanan nyo ng cast, sa iba't ibang mission ninyo, ano yung pinaka-memorable for you?
Memorable. Marami kasi parang halos lahat naman kasi memorable for me. Pero siguro yung hindi kasi sa Japan wala si Kuya Bars So Italy for me siguro. Kasi kami pinaka-complete. Itogon. Okay na ako. Yung mga memories mo doon, iba okay, pero ayun nga, siguro na-enjoy ko yung Italy namin. Kasi kung mas kompleto kami doon buo yung group doon.
Saka nasugat ka dun.
Tsaka doon niya ako, binigyan niya ako ng core memory doon.
Ano yun?
Yung peklat na
Binigyan niya
sa'yo.
Binigyan niya ng peklat sa tuhod.
May scar ka to, memory.
Diba? Please, stick din. Pero yan, so far, Italy, tsaka yung Palawan.
Palawan, of course. Okay, for Kyla, kahit na action ang serye, hindi makakalampas na siniship ang character mo sa characters ni Richard and Daniel. Ano sa tingin mo ang characteristics ng dalawang leading men na pwedeng ma-fall si Max?
Si Max kasi, I think Max is a very compassionate character. But she also is very morally strong. So she always makes it an effort to do the right thing. And I feel like, so ano siya, parang perfect balance siya ng heart and head. So I feel like, si JB kasi, mas siya yung logical. And he also is the one that leads the team pag wala si contractor. So I feel like that's something similar that Max has with JB. And si Andres naman, yung decisions niya are motivated by emotions. And very compassionate din ang character ni Andres. So I feel like yun din ang similarity ni Max kay Andres. So I feel like if I were to think about those things that they have in common, siguro yun yung magpo-form ng mas strong na bond with Max and JB or Max and Andres.
Actually, maraming nanonood na young girls and actually really love your character. Do you have anything to give advice to the young girls who aspire to be a Max someday?
Sila magpapakis na.
Other than magpabanks.
Aside from the Max,
Other than that, kasi, you know what, one thing that I'm really proud of also here in Incognito is both Gab and Max's characters are very strong and empowered women. They're very independent na talagang makikita mo throughout the show that they're equally as skilled as the male characters. And that's something that I really, really am happy about. So I feel like, hopefully, I hope, diba, seeing Max and Gab's characters, I hope, inspires young girls to have that same, or to feel empowered and to be inspired, to be independent and to be go-getters and to go for what you want and to have that fearlessness about Max and Gab. So siguro yun lang. I feel like it's about being fearless as well, being brave, and owning and embracing that independence.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. Okay, my next is for another lady, the contracts, Maris. Every time you have a scene with Joel Torre, sobrang nagtitrending because the netizens are really happy of your Ilonggo accent. Kahit Bisaya ka, di ba? You're from Davao. How was it doing a scene with Joel and preparing for some Hiligaynon dialects? Was it hard for you?
You know what, I remember that day, when shooting teleseries, you get so many surprises. first thing in the morning, you know. So going to the set, I was already very nervous, you know. I'm gonna do scenes with Sir Joel Torre, who I look up to also sa acting. And then, nasa set kaming dalawa, nasa standby area. And then biglang pumasok si Direk. Okay, so Gab, Ilonggo ka dito Sabi ko, Direk! So, surprise yun lahat. And then sabi ko lang, thank God, Bisaya ako. Kasi we have so many common words, Hiligaynon and Ilonggo and Bisaya. Thank you Lord, Bisaya ako. And then, ang kailangan ko na lang aralin is yung tono. And thankfully, Sir Joel Torre taught me a lot of Ilonggo words. Si Anthony Ilonggo actually, and then his kuya was there also. Kami talaga, there were even lines na hindi Ilonggo. Sabi ko, hindi, itodo natin to. So, nagpaturo ako, i-translate mo nga to.
Sige, example. In Bisaya and then in Ilonggo.
Ano man, like Bisaya.
Bisaya ko ka, diba? Bisaya mo ako. Invite mo ang mga audience in Ilonggo.
Hindi mo lang marunong mag-Ilonggo, tono lang Pero sa mga kapamilya dyan,
Tagalog mo na lang but with the Ilonggo accent.
may kakapamilya. Hindi, man ako panoorin niyo yung incognito kasi marami pa kaming away ng Sir Joel Torre. Pero mahal ko talaga yung tao na yun. Kahit masama. I mean, yung character niya.
Tatay mo siya
Ayun siya Pero, yun lang yung alam ko talaga. Ano na?
Okay na, okay. Palipag-palakpakan naman po natin. Not only are they interested in their acting skills, they learn different dialects as well. Thank you, Maurice. And this is for Sir Jay. My question. Ang daming hula at palaisipan sa nanonood tungkol sa katauhan ni June. At meron pang mga rumor na naririnig na magkapatid daw ang karakter ni Daniel at Anthony. Totoo po ba ito? Can you give us a little bit of the truth?
We're very happy as a creative team, as the creators and the director, everybody. We're very happy that the audiences are engaged, not just in the action scenes or the contracts or the job missions, but in each and everyone's personal journeys. And as we've seen, yung paghahanap ni Andres sa kapatid niya, isa yun sa pinaka-importante part talaga ng palabas. So we are very happy that the audiences are engaged in his quest for his brother. So I wouldn't want to spoil anything about his.
Hindi talaga siya sasabi.
Pero as you've seen in the trailer that that there is a major step in Andres' search for his brother that he will encounter in Japan. So let's just wait what happens during that moment and the true identity of June.
Thank you, Sir Jay. Kailangan tayo manood, guys. Abangan natin kasi ayaw magsalita ng ating creative manager. Okay, Daniel, my question is, how has the camaraderie evolved between the cast? And has this opened your interest to do more projects like this in the future?
Wala, iba na yung namin iba na yung samahan namin lahat. Sabi nga ni Sir Bray, yun totoo yun. Kahit saan kami dalhin, basta magkakasama, okay na. At saka magtutulungan talaga, totoo yun. On and off sa set yun. Kasi kahit nasa set kami, hindi rin siya madali Pagpapunta sa set, wala sa set, papunta pa lang, pagod ka na, ganun kami. So kami yung nagbibigay ng siguro na lakas ng loob sa isa't isa. Na kapatid.
Would you say brotherhood na to?
Oo.
Kapatiran?
Lalo na sa, totoo yun. Tsaka sa mga eksena namin hindi rin madadali. Kami rin ang nagtutulungan talaga.
I'm sure sa weather doon sa Japan, kayo din lang naglilinis ng sipon ninyo.
Iso, matulo na yung uho mo. Tapos, ano yung isang tanong mo, madam?
Gusto mo ba ng more projects na ganito?
Oh,
With your team?
Yeah, syempre. Kahit ulit, kahit mag-season 2 pa kami. Walang problema.
Andres naman daw ako next. Thank you so much, Daniel. Okay, for Richard again. Of many tasks you've made to do, what do you consider mission impossible and why?
Ano yun? Sorry.
Sa lahat ng mga mission na nagawa ninyo, what do you consider mission impossible and why?
Mission Impossible? You mean sa show? Or like,
It's up to you how you want to answer.
well, ako, Mission Impossible, I think a mission is only impossible if you're doing it alone. But if you're with a team, with a unit, anything is possible. So, yun sa akin.
Wonderfully said. Palakpakan naman po natin, everyone. Okay, my one last question for tonight. For everybody. Ano yung pakiramdam nyo na almost 4 months na yung umi-ere ay patuloy na kinakapitan ng maraming nanonood sa serye? Hindi siya nawawala sa most watched top 10 ng Netflix and I Want TFC. Ano yung masasabi nyo? Isa-isa please. Anthony?
Ako sobrang grateful lang ako na parte pa rin ako ng napakagandang show na ito. Yun nga, medyo matagal na kayo nag-shoot, tapos parang nararamdaman mo na medyo patapos na kayo. Medyo iba na yung pakiramdam eh. Nandun na yung medyo parang malulungkot ka na. Parang kailangan ko sila makita palagi. Alam mo, yung pakiramdam na parang feeling ko. Every time na magsusuot ako ng uniform, yung pagka-actualista, feeling ko superhero kami. Ganun pakiramdam eh. Tapos parang feeling ko, medyo matagal-tagal kong hindi mararamdaman ulit yun. So medyo, syempre, nakakalungkot. Pero at the same time, happy ako kasi syempre, love na love ng mga tao yung characters namin individually. And then nga, na-enjoy nila yung mga ginagawa namin. And then, sana sabi nila nyo, sana magkaroon pa ng season 2 para marami pa kaming pwedeng ibigay.
Diba yan sa universe para marinig?
Oo, yun. So maraming salamat syempre sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa mga sumusuporta. Sana magpatuloy pa nila support. Mahalin yung show namin. Maraming salamat.
Buddies, anything to say to our viewers for making you guys one of the most watched shows in Netflix and I Want TFC?
Yeah, ano na kami, mid-season na kami. So, the fact na dami pa rin sumusuporta, sumusubaybay sa show namin, we're all very, very grateful. And ako, marami-rami na din akong nagawa sa career ko, but this one talaga is one of the most challenging ones. Kasi physically demanding siya, emotionally demanding siya, and dagdag mo pa yung extreme weather conditions na minsan imposible. But with the support ng kapamilya, sobrang grateful kami. And natutuwa kami, na-inspire kami kasi sinusuportahan kami lahat, and halos lahat merong, alam mo yun, kapag nanonood yung mga tao, si Max ako, si Gab ako, si Andres ako, ganyan. Nakaka-relate sila sa mga struggles namin. And yun naman talaga yung importante, yung core ng isang story, which is the heart, it's what keeps you watching. Kasi yun yung passion ng character, yun yung passion ng story, and sinusundan nila yung puso ng story. And we're very, very grateful. Grateful din ako sa lahat ng mga tao sa likod ng camera, ng camera, kasi grabe din kung nahihirapan kami sa kanila 10 times. So, sobrang mahal namin sila, sobrang mahal namin itong team na yun dito. Kaya, yeah. Thank you for all the support.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating viewers. Yan, anything to say to our viewers for making you guys the most watched show in Netflix and I Want TFC?
Siyempre po nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng tumutulong ng gawin dito simula nung nag-umpisa po kami hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat at sana abanganin niyo itong napanood natin lahat na trailer. Talagang bigod pa ako sa ito. Itong binigay ko namin dito at sigurado po kami na gugustuhan niyo ang mga eksena namin sa Itogo, lalo na po sa Japan. At yun, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal.
Richard?
Yes, gusto ko pasalamat syempre sa audience natin. Thank you for all the love and support sa Incognito. We're very grateful na na-enjoy ninyo yung palabas namin. And I also want to congratulate and thank the entire team of Incognito for the job well done. You know, the job's not finished, but all the hard work is paying off. All the hard work is worth it. Coming into this project, we knew that it's not going to be easy doing an action series, you know, all over the place, all over the world. But we were able to manage everything, and we have a good show in our hands. I would also like to thank the Netflix team, of course, dahil I consider this as one of my legacy projects. Sa dami-dami na ginawa ko, this is definitely top 3, I think, of what I've done in my career. I think Netflix was able to give us a broader audience. Maraming mga eyeballs ngayon na naka-engage sa Incognito na hindi nanonood before ng local channels, and now they're watching on Netflix. So thank you for Netflix, for the platform, for the opportunity, and of course to ABS-CBN.
I just want to say thank you din. Maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusubaybay sa Incognito. Like I said earlier, we're all very, very proud of the work that we've done here. And it's all thanks to, of course, my co-stars, the production, our directors. Lahat, inalagaan po talaga namin yung show na to at yung mga characters namin. And sobrang fulfilling para sa amin na pinapanood ninyo at minamahal nyo rin kami at yung show namin. So thank you. I really have nothing else to say but thank you. Thank you so much. And marami pa kayong aabangan so, na sobrang exciting. Kaya I hope you guys are looking forward to it as well.
Thank you, Kyla. Baron?
Likewise, very grateful. Likewise, very grateful talaga to be part of this show. Grateful ako sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, especially kay Direct Leslie Pimentel. And of course, mga writers namin, people behind the scenes. Yeah, and maraming salamat din sa mga viewers na kumakapit sa bawat character namin dito at minamahal kami at sinusuportahan kami. So, gaya ng sinabi ng lahat, parang mukhang gusto ng mga tao na magkaroon ng book 2 or season 2 para lumawak ang Incognito universe, diba? So, God willing matuloy, but it all depends to, you know, our showrunner and ABS-CBN. But let's hope and pray na marami tayong journey na makakasama kayong lahat. We love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Our contractor.
Team, good job, team.
Finally.
Good job. Hello po. Good evening. Good job, team. Tapos na ba? Ubus na mga kalaban? Okay. Alam niyo naman, as contractor, pag ubus na mga kalaban, kabaho ko sunduin kayo. Kaya maraming salamat. And I hope you're all excited for this Japan, the Japan parts. And thank you.
Talagang sa last question ka talaga po.
Siyempre.
May question pa kami. May pahabol na question for you, Sir Ian. Your character as contractor is still very much a mystery to the audience. Hindi ba mahirap yung i-portray yung ganong klaseng mysterious character?
Actually, it's also a mystery to me. No, really, because the character evolves. As it evolves, I'm also in the process of discovering dahan-dahan mo lang nakikita yan as an actor, yung past niya, yung nakaraan. And it's a journey to not just self-discovery, but also to discover him. Yun.
Ang great.
Yes.
Actually, I just asked everybody kung ano yung pakiramdam ninyo na 4 months na kayo umiere ay top 10 at palagi kayong most watched Netflix and Taiwan PFC. Ano yung masasabi mo sa audience as a thank you?
Ako, laging lahat ng makausap ko na, na sinusubaybayan nila, nagka-thank you ako sa kanila kasi nga hindi namin expected na gano'ng maganda yung magiging resulta. And lahat ng mga hindi pa nahuhook, sinasabi ko na, kung ayaw niyong mahuhusokan sa'yo, huwag niyo na simulan. Kasi mahuhook talaga kayo. When you see like 3 to 4 episodes, wala na, hindi niyo naman bibitawan. So,
Episode 59 actually is showing right now, so you guys watch after. Thank you, Sir
Thank you, ma'am.
Before we wrap this up, I actually want to ask Sir Jay to share your thank you to our audience. Siyempre talaga, most watched tayo. Ano po yung magiging message mo sa ating taong bahay, ating mga manonood?
Maraming salamat po. Kagaya po na sinabi ng buong grupo na hanggang ngayon ay sinusubaybayan niyo. And we're just actually midway. So the contract is not yet over. So talagang we're just very happy. And when we started the program, we set out into we gave ourselves one big job order, which was to elevate Philippine action and also to give something that we can all be proud of, not just the entire team, but the audiences, that the Filipino can do something like this. And it's a tall order for everybody. Kaya we're still getting there. We're just in the midpoint of the entire project. So we're looking forward to more.
Palakpakan naman po natin, guys! Sir Jay, may season 2 po ba?
Ayaw ko muna mag-spoil ng marami.
Sir Jay, ayaw talaga magsalita. Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Jay. And I would like to say thank you everybody, especially to the ones who are watching online. We're watching actually live ngayon, guys. And Contrast, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much to our media friends. And before that, we'd like to invite everybody to please, we are going to have a photo